Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to November 2020, question 5 of grade 10. All right, okay, great stuff. So let's have a look at this question. It only has one question here. We've got 5.1, which is divided into two questions, 5.11 and 5.12. Okay, we are given a pattern here. It says that let's have a look at this given pattern. So first, we need to find out which pattern is this one, because the first question said that determine the general term of this pattern. 5.1.1. okay, good stuff. So let's check the different. -1 minus 3 is going to give us 4. 5 minus 1 4, therefore 9 minus 5 is going to give us 4, which is equal to our difference. And then our first term is -3. We go to our formula sheet. There we check formula sheet. Has got this formula of an arithmetic pattern or linear pattern, if you want to call it. I know that your teachers are using something different. I think the teachers here, they rather use something like this. I have seen something like this in most of the textbooks. It is given by it's given by what? Is it dn plus c? Yeah, I think they're using something like that, but I prefer this one because on this one you don't have to find the value of c rather. Okay, fine, straightforward. We've got -3, which is our first value, plus, yeah, because guys, this refers to the first term, okay, which is t1, and therefore this refers to the difference, okay, rather to the common difference. Just to give you guys a little bit of an understanding on this equation, I must not just assume that you know it. Okay, great stuff. Maybe it's your first time viewing this channel, so now you are asking yourself, what am I talking about? But we've got plenty of videos on this channel. You can just go and view them. There's where we're explaining the concept, there's where we're doing past papers, there's where we're explaining the concept and also doing examples as well. All right, great stuff. So now n minus 1, and therefore the difference is 4. Therefore we just need to multiply with 4 here to remove the bracket. -3, 4 times n is going to be 4n. Therefore also 4 times -1 is going to be -4. Therefore we're going to have 4n. We have got -3 minus 4 is going to give us -7. That's our tn. Okay, great stuff. And that's how you find the general formula. And then we come here, 5.1.2. I see somebody on the comment section on the previous video, they said some of the things are really small. I'm gonna try to write as big as I can. I hope this is visible for you guys as well. Okay, so we're looking for n number 38, so therefore it means we're looking for tn 38. tn 38 into our general formula. Therefore where there's n, we're gonna put 38 -7. Okay, and we need to punch this in our calculator. 4 times 38 -7, it's giving me 145. Okay, and that's how you would deal with a question like this one, guys. When it comes to number patterns in grade 10, you're only doing linear patterns and also other patterns that may come. I think on 20, I think it was question 4. Yeah, it was question 4. There was a really nice one where it was given in a form of a fraction, where you had to deal with that one as well. If you haven't watched that one, please make sure that you watch question 4 as well. It's a playlist there, guys. Just go there, watch question 4. It will really assist you to fully understand what is going on here when it comes to number patterns. I am Gaston Mapala. I will definitely see you on the next upload, where we'll be doing question 6. All right, see you on the next upload.